Pete Zielinski, Additive Manufacturing Media. I'm at Formnext in Frankfurt, Germany. Deposition-style 3D printing and 5-axis machine motion go together. The combination allows for effective 3D printing of forms like this without the aid of support structures. So how do you do that 5-axis 3D printing faster, more efficiently? Fraunhofer, the German research organization, is experimenting with kinematic style interpolation as a platform for 5-axis motion in 3D printing. One of the challenges is the table holding the part pivots, moves, interpolates, while the deposition head continues to move in just 3 linear axes. So look at the way the table's motion maintains that constant height for the extruder nozzle. Software developed by Fraunhofer to run this machine made that possible. And one of the applications potentially is this custom-fitted scoliosis brace, 3D printed effectively to the dimensions of the patient on this platform.